Excuse me, can I bother you for a second? So I'm just walking around and taking photos of people I meet from my Instagram. Just wondering if I can get your picture by any chance.
Okay.
Sure, thank you.
Feels alright?
Yeah, I'll show them. There you go.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Of course.
Cheers. You have a nice day.
You-
Excuse me, buddy. Hi, my name is Jubin. So I randomly go to people and take their photos and post them on my social media. Just wondering if I can get your picture.
Right up, man.
Thank you. There you go.
Oh, that's horrible. They're amazing.
Thank
You're
you.
very welcome.
Nice meeting you, both.
Nice meeting you, man.
Cheers.
Have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, can I bother you for 1 minute? I'm just randomly walking up to people for taking photos for my Instagram. Is it okay if I can take a picture of you by any chance?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, cool. If you can stand here for me, please.
Here?
Yeah.
Want to stand?
Yeah, you can just. There you go.
Thank you.
You have a nice day. Thank you so much for your
Have a
time.
nice day.
Cheers.